Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add a thumbnail to your long-form videos on Facebook using a web browser. Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit the like button to help my channel grow. Let's get started. First, locate the video to which you want to add a thumbnail. Click on it and play it in widescreen mode. In the upper right corner, click on the three dots, then select Edit Post. Scroll down and click on Video Options. Now choose Change Thumbnail. Click on Upload Image and select the icon to upload. Choose your pre-created thumbnail and open it. Click the Save icon and then click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully added a thumbnail to your video. Now, let's check if the thumbnail appears in our video. As you can see, our video now features a thumbnail. If you are using a mobile device, simply enable the desktop view in your Google Chrome settings. That's it. Stay tuned for more videos by following us.